Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today I have a very beautiful story, and which is very inspiring also, of a bodybuilder. Yes, she's a female bodybuilder and her name is Ernstine Shepherd. Who this lady is? She is oldest female bodybuilder recorded by Guinness Book of World Record also. So if you can go and check her Instagram profile also, it's written that I am 84 and still going and still a firm believer, right? So 84-year-old young, she has mentioned. So this lady is now 85, and when she has started her bodybuilding career, it is at the age of 56, and before that she was a model, right? And if you see her body, she can give challenge to any teenager or any people whom I have seen around, maybe who are in their early 20s and maybe late 20s. So she can give challenge to any youngster, those who feel that they are young. However, this lady is actually young and she can perform everything what a normal human being should be performing. And if we can see the secret of their young age and for their youth, what is the secret? Whosoever I have gone through, the stories I have covered, if they have given a credit to plant-based diet. They include lot of fruits and fresh vegetables in their diet, which keeps them young and which keeps them going and active, right? So that is the secret mantra of all. It's a collective secret mantra of good health. If you really want to stay young till 80, 90, 100, and may you be a super centenarian, right? So today I have a very beautiful wellness mantra, and that wellness mantra is for all of us, for all human beings. So it is on relationship. So if we will implement this wellness mantra, I mean, this should resonate with everyone, right? So this wellness mantra is you have many relationship. We have a relationship with our parents, teachers, and yesterday I told you that we have relationship with money also, right? We have relationship with nature, economy, universe, everyone, right? However, the best relationship which we can create, and our all relationships depend on that is our relationship with our own self. Yes. So whatever relationship with which we have with ourselves, how much integral we are, ये तो आपको पता चल जाएगा आपका रिलेशनशिप अपने साथ कैसा है. सपोज मैंने अपने आप को कमिट किया है दैट आई विल क्रिएट वन वीडियो एवरी डे, मे बी ऑफ 2 to 3 minutes only, and if I am not doing, I will say okay, no problem, I will create 2 videos tomorrow. So that is not my commitment, right? So if I have committed I will make one video every day, I should be creating one video every day. However, due to electricity failure or maybe network connectivity, I'm not unable to post that, but however I should be creating that on the same day, right? So that is the commitment level, because it's a saying, where there is a will there is a way. And सपोज आपने कोई अच्छा काम करना है, तो आप उसको बोलोगे चलो मैं अभी आज नहीं कल कर लेता हूँ, राइट? आई विल डू इट टुमारो. इज़ योर रिलेशनशिप विद योर सेल्फ अ वेरी गुड? और अगर कोई बुरा काम करना है, उसने मुझे ये कहा था चलो अभी चल के उसकी बैंड बजाते हैं, राइट? तो आप तैयार तो हो जाओगे और आपके साथ और बहुत सारे लोग तैयार हो जाएंगे इस बात के लिए. सो जो ये बुरा काम करना है ना और आप इमीडिएटली कर देते हो, ये आपका खुद का रिलेशनशिप आपके साथ अच्छा नहीं है, राइट? सो अगर ये बुरा काम करना है, आप 1-2 दिन रुक जाओ, 3 दिन रुक जाओ, राइट? सो मे बी यू कैन सी, यू कैन एनालाइज द सिचुएशन. आपको शायद और बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चले, एंड यू मे फाइंड इट आउट मैनी फैक्ट्स ऑन योर ओन. सो वट एवर यू डू टू अदर्स, it depends on what is the relationship you have with your own self. Some people are so sensitive towards nature, plants and animals. They can't even see a puppy dying on the road. They get hurt even when something happens to any plant or something, right? So they have a sensitivity because they are very sensitive towards themselves also. They have self love, right? They have love for nature. They know that we are all connected. All living beings are connected, right? It's not only human beings or animals, all plants, they understand that even grass is breathing, right? So if anything is created in the universe, it has their presence, it should be as it is. So it all depends on what type of relationship you have with yourself, right? So try exploring that. If you really want to improve a relationship with yourself, you can read a book, Love Languages by Gary Chapman. It's a very interesting and very beautiful book. I'm sure you'll be able to improve relationship with yourself and with the universe and with everyone in your life. So thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my videos, and listening to me and viewing me and sharing my videos. And please share this inspirational stories with whom you want to share and you want them to achieve certain things in the life. So see you till then. Gratitude always. Bye bye. Take care.